So, first off nga, Coach, welcome back. Ano po ba? Kamusta po?
Yeah, June 18, we have a medical check-up, para makakomply kami doon sa renewal ng GAP license, And then, result, we found out na something wrong with my ECG. After a week, nakita namin yung result. Okay, and then, immediately, pinakita ko sa mga cardiologists, Dr. Tony Liachon and Romel Galvez. Dr. Tony Liachon is my neighbor. And then, he said sa akin, you have to undergo a stress test. Kasi stress test, makikita ko anong klaseng puso meron ka. Yung puso ko pala, mapagmahal eh. I mean, nakita yung yung in-scan, something wrong. To confirm everything, kailangan undergo ako ng angiogram. Angiogram, and then na-confirm yun na my arteries is blocked. And then, what happened? I keep on playing. And the last 3 weeks before that examination, I'm so well. Yeah. But I'm so lucky because the doctor told me na, you're a walking bomb. Buti hindi ako nag-collapse or ganyan. So, my friend, Dr. Tony Liachon, he has a team dito sa Manila Doctors, narin ka lahat, ganyan. Then, pasadan, okay, nagkaroon ako ng angioplasty. That was July 7. Imagine, July 5, July 3 and 4, practice ako in San Miguel, and then 4, after ng practice namin, diretso na ako sa hospital. So, nakaprepare na lahat yung gagawin sa akin, ganyan, because there's something going on. And I'm confident na it's okay lang, okay. Pero upon revealing nung angiogram, we need to do something, which is angioplasty. It happened Tuesday, July 7, and then July 9, na-release na ako, binigyan na ako ng medical certificate, go to work. But the problem is, the side effect of medicine, nagkaroon na regulation sa tiyan ko. Until now, bloated yung tiyan ko, very uncomfortable. And the worst thing is, nangyayari yung bloating the evening, 11 until the morning. So, andun yung feeling na alam mo kulang ka sa tulog, alam mo puyat ka, pero hindi ka inaantok. And then, alam mo gutom ka, pero hindi mo nararamdaman na nakulang yung tiyan mo because of bloating, ganyan. And then, kita ko sa isang gastroenteritis, ganyan, and then, okay naman, it's a side effect of the gamot niya. I'm just taking my time to eliminate that, it will take sa 3 to 4 weeks, And then, actually, first game, I thought ako mag-coach na eh. But, buti na lang, ando si Boss Robert, no, you have to take a rest. Dahil, nakarelate siya dahil he experienced that also eh. Oh, hindi ganyan kahirap. Which is right, pasalamat ako sa kanya. And akin ang kutsa, ganyan, na binigyan ng time to rest. Ganyan. Kaya, I'm so grateful with them, And, ayun, it's a matter of, a few games before go back to, coach.
Pero as of now, fit to work ka ba o hindi pa? Kailangan mo
Yeah, except yung kulang sa tulog, ganyan. I cannot focus on my game plan or practice plan because I'm after to sa that's the effect eh. Pero once na na-eliminate ko na yun, I think I'll be back. Regarding sa my heart, yun, wala nang problema. It's a maintenance na lang. Yun ang
Pero anong advice ng doktor sa'yo? Kailangan okay lang mag-coach ka pa rin.
Yeah, right. Kaya nga binigyan ako ng medical certificate. Right after they release me from the hospital, coach, you can start walking. Slowly, gradually, until you get to another playing time sa mga pick-up game, ganyan. Pero for the meantime, so I have to be focused on so walking and then sleeping ko, yun ang problema eh. It could affect dahil sabi ko worst thing every 11 at the evening, pumapasok yung nakakagulat hindi ka makagalaw Ganyan eh. Bawat galaw ko, ano, 1 o'clock in the morning, tatayo ako, mag-walking ako para mag-set.
Hindi ka ba, may serious yung condition ngayon, coach, hindi ka ba, yung future mo ba sa sports, hindi ba delikado yung sitwasyon na yun?
The doctor, parang ano kayo, na-tune up kayo sa kotse, ganyan. Then, said, oh, you can go back to work, ganyan. Siyempre, of course, merong psychological effect yun dahil I found out na ganun pala yung angioplasty, mga ganyan. Pero, mas mahirap yung bypass. It will take a lot of time. Okay, ganyan. Pero, yun, kaya I'm confident na I can go back. Just a matter of time, kailangan ko makabalik na lahat.